Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fun 15-minute lower body workout. You don't need any equipment at all, but we will head to the ground for the second part of class. So grab a mat and we are gonna get to it. All right, first up, we are coming to a narrow stance. We're gonna take our right leg back into a lunge, and then that right knee pulls up as you engage the core, really pushing into your supporting leg. Let's do it. And rest right where you are, you guys. That right foot is gonna come back now, and we are gonna sink into our lunge and take a little pulse down. The main focus you wanna feel this in is your back leg. So really push that back heel high and sink that seat low. And breathe. Awesome job, you guys. We're heading into our side two for both of those movements. So the left foot is going to lunge back now, and then the left knee draws into the chest. You're going to feel it in that supporting front glute, that right leg, and really squeezing your core as you lift at the top. Here we go. Take a rest. All right, you guys, take that left foot back, find your parallel lunge, and we find that little tiny pulse and pulse. So make sure that your left knee is directly below your left hip and your right knee is directly over your right ankle. Here we go. Pulse it down. Rest and face the front. Turn your toes out and walk your feet much wider than your hips. You're gonna sink your seat down with a heavy tailbone. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lower down, lift halfway, lower down, lift all the way up. So you sink to your lowest point, only coming up to that halfway point, sink low again, and then stretch the legs. legs. All right, bring those feet underneath your hips, parallel feet. We're gonna sink back into a squat. Right foot is gonna go out. We come in, we lift the chest up, we sink down, left foot out. In, we lift the chest up, and then we sink back down. Your goal is to stay nice and low on those squats. A breather. Nice work, you guys. This time your right foot is going to come out into a nice wide lunge, and then you're going to press yourself up to stand. Option to lift that right knee up at the top. So as that right foot comes out, you're really pushing your weight into your heels and sinking your booty back. Here we go. Find a finish. Great work, you guys. Second side, here we go. Left leg is going to lead us out into that nice deep lunge, and then we press off that left leg to lift. Option to pull that left knee up like you did on the first side, or you can keep it on the ground. Here we go. Rest. Awesome job. We're heading to the ground, so meet me down on all fours. Hands under the shoulders. We're going to start by taking our right heel and pressing it up to the sky, lowering back down, pressing up and lowering down. So this is going to target the base of your seat and your hamstring. Here we go. And breathe. Awesome job, you guys. Sticking with that same leg, you're just going to come to your forearms, slide that right heel up to the sky, and you're going to take a little tiny press and press. So think heel to the ceiling and maintain your core, keeping your back nice and flat. Let's get to it. breathe. Press back up into your palms, heading into side 2 for both these movements. This time your left heel draws up and stomps the ceiling and lowers back down. Avoid any arching in that lower back. Keep your core nice and tight. Here we go.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Take a breather and come on down to those forearms. We're sending that left heel up to the sky and finding that little stomp and press up towards the ceiling. Shoulders away from the ears. Core is tight, and we begin in 3, 2, 1. Take a seat, you guys. We're going to come down onto the left side of our body, taking that right leg long out from the hip. We're going to find a circle and circle. You have an option to stay up, or you can lay all the way flat, really focusing on that outer glute. Nice straight leg. Here we go. And breathe, shake out that leg, you guys. Flip your body around for side 2. Lay down on the right side of your body. Option to come all the way flat or up on that forearm. Take your left leg long and trace that circle with the left leg. Maintain your core. Here we go. And breathe. Awesome job, you guys. Our final exercise of the day, on to our backs. Walk your feet slightly wider than the hips. Toes can turn out slightly. We're going to lift the hips up, squeeze the thighs together, press back out, lower down. So it's lift, squeeze, press, and tap. Here we go. enjoyed. Finish nice work, you guys. Give yourself a big round of applause. That is all I have for you today. If you like this video, let me know in those comments. And if you want to support my channel, you can click any of the links in my description of this video. And I hope to see you back very soon.